If you are not too much into video editing, but still want to get your message out with a professional looking video, you might want to check out Flexclip. Now Flexclip's interface takes a little bit time perhaps to get used to, but once you do, it's nice, easy, and super simple to use the software. Let's see a quick sample. So that's the level of pro quality I'm talking about. First, I'll quickly explain the user interface, and then we will create a video and render its output. Please watch till the end, because I also shared lifetime deal link, depending on when you are watching this video, to save a lot if you choose to purchase one of Flexclip's subscription plans. Let's get started. Alright, so first, once you're here, then please go ahead and sign up for free. Although they have paid plans, it has a free plan, for which you don't need any credit cards for signing up. Once you sign up, you just have to verify your email so that your account gets active. I'm going to click on login because I already have an account here. Alright, so we are here at the landing page of Flexclip. As soon as we sign up, first thing that I see here is that you can start from scratch here, but you also have a list of menu items. On the left sidebar, here you have got the home screen, which will provide thousands of templates for you to search from and then pick up and then just get started, or you can always click this button, as I told you. Next, once you start working on any of your projects, you can click on My Projects to see what all you have created, and then you can also favorite any of these templates by clicking on this heart icon so that you can come and revisit that later quickly. And this section provides a ton of stock videos from story blocks that you can use, which are all categorized into different segments like you can see here. These are birthday related videos, which we can use. The best part is you can also sort and filter these by most relevant, most downloaded, and then so on and so forth. And these are a couple of paid features, which is like you can get some cloud storage, and then you can also upload custom fonts. Okay, let's pick this one. Click on use video, and then you will see that there are a couple of modes here. So you can choose any of these edit modes. The first one, on the left here, you see the timeline mode, which gives you full control with all the tracks, and you can add the video track, audio track, and then your voiceover, or any music separately here. So I would suggest choosing the timeline mode. But if you want to make a quick video in just a few minutes, without much of the bells and whistles, you can click on the storyboard mode. Let's now go into the timeline mode. Alright, we are into this Flexclip's actual video editor interface. We are going to create a sample video to see all its features, but before that, let me quickly show you what's available. As much as you can see, it's all pretty much self-explanatory here. Okay, I'm going to expand this timeline so you can see that the actual powerful video editor in full screen. Alright, so here you can see the templates that we can choose and add, and then you can also see the media bin, where you can upload your files from your local computer or even record your screen, and then attach that, or the webcam, and then you can also get it from your phone by using a QR code, which is fantastic. Once you add your assets, the media assets, they all get stored here. And then the text will give you options to add different texts and titles, so these are all dynamic ones, and you got more options here with lower thirds to add your name, maybe here like this one. That's really cool. And then different categorized titles as well. Okay, so that's about the text part, and specifically for the video footages, you can just click on these videos and search for any relevant stock footages that you want to add. And next, on the photos part, you also get access to copyright-free lot of photos that we can add into other timelines here. Then comes the music to get some stock music that you can add your videos. Then comes the element part, which is my favorite here. So for example, let's say I'm going to hit on this one. Let's make it a little larger and see how this works. Yeah, so you can get to see a lot of different animated elements and graphics within this here. Next comes the overlays, wherein you can add perhaps maybe transitions type overlays to add that extra overlay text effects and other graphics onto the video, and then we can customize the background here with, again, maybe stock video or just maybe a photo background. Finally, we've got the branding option, wherein you can add any watermarks or any images by uploading to any of these corners. Okay, now on to the actual video creation within the templates section. I'm going to search for some teaching related videos again, so that we can add a few more videos. Before we publish this one, let us take something. Yeah, this one, let me click on apply all 5 pages. Or if you want to just pick one among these, all you want to do is just click on this plus to add a scene. This is the best part of Flexclip. Instead of opening and then adding them all and then returning to your editor, this shows the actual video for you. and then lets you add immediately to your bin, so I'm going to click on this plus icon to add the scene, and then add another one. That's it. You can click on this button to fit the screen to see all the footages in one go, okay? And next, I'm going to add some text over this. And if you want to edit these, you can just simply click on this one and then type whatever you want. You're going to say the same thing, whatever you want here, and then leave it at that. If you click on this, you can also see that you can adjust the color, the font face, the size, and the more the details. You can also format these by the spacing and the line height by centering center or any alignment settings here. Okay, let's see how this came up. You can also see that this got added into a separate track here, so that you can adjust this based on when you want to keep, whether you want to overlay this on part of the previous scene, or just start from here. So let's see, watch this one. So we get it that way. Now you can see that the text is not visible until you click on this one. You only see the footages, and then the audio here. But if you click on this timeline, you can see all of them here, so that you can adjust however you want it. And this timeline will display the current footage selected. So if I am clicking on this and then click on timeline, you can see what's up here, the lower third element that I added, and then the subscribe element that I added here. So that's the level of retail Flexclip offers to get into the timeline, and then edit whatever you want to. Okay, getting into the videos here. If I click on this video, and then let's say, students, you again get a bunch of videos that can be used for adding into your videos. Alright. I hope you got this idea of how we add the stock footages or the videos from your own computer by going into the media and clicking on local files and then uploading that. Or you can also click on recording and then record the screen and the webcam, or the screen, or just a webcam. Okay, now let's add some photos. Okay, I'm going to just simply click this one. Then see how it shows up beautiful. Now let's add some transitions. So I'm going to edit the transition and then see what's available here. So this is into the zoom transition, but I want to change that to maybe let's take this one, circle brush rotation. Click on this is going to update this transition, and you can see that we added a different transition to this one. So that's how we can update the transitions, and you can easily remove the background of any of these footages by clicking on this remove background and then processing this. But the thing is that you need to have the credits, which gets reset every month. Finally, with the branding, you can, let's say now, add a text and then adjust its overlay to show on your complete video. You can click on this opacity to adjust how you want it to be shown. You can choose this one to change the location and put it wherever you want. Let me keep it here, or maybe on the left. I'll keep it here. Let's see this one. So the watermark remains. The another caveat here is that you cannot adjust the length of this watermark because it keeps showing on all the clippings here. All the scenes, we cannot adjust that to show just on few scenes, or maybe remove it after. Sometimes if you want to have that displayed all throughout your video, then go for this one. You can also add an image watermark by uploading your own from your computer. So that's all about these features here on the sidebar. Now let's go and quickly save this one. Actually, I should have saved this one at the beginning itself, but that's a key lesson here. Please try and save as soon as you start your project. So now that the video is saved, once you are happy with what you created, click on the export option and choose the format that you want to. In the free version, you get to export with 480 pixels and a maximum of 1 minute length, which will be ideal for YouTube Shorts or any Facebook videos. If you want to create a quick one, but with the paid options, you'll get to choose either 720 pixels quality with the basic plan, or with the plus plan, you get to see the 1080 pixels quality. You can also export this into a GIF format if you're creating something smaller. Okay, so with this video, I'm going to click on export and see how long it takes. And then I'll let you know how long it took for me to export this. An entire video clip for 16 seconds. Now there's a note that says that we have to stay on this page for a faster export process. So I'm going to stay on this page. I'm not going to move anywhere meanwhile. I'm also tracking how long this is taking. We can see the seconds counter on the screen above to see how long it's taking for just 16-second video. But again, it depends on maybe the processes that your computer will allocate for the browser to work in the background. Although this rendering is done in the cloud, I would prefer to keep minimal tabs open while this is happening, because the browser does its thing, right? Because we don't want to get into that process and disturb it. Okay, it's done. It's exported successfully. I got the clip downloaded to my local system. We also get a share link with which you can just copy and then share it to any of your social media channels. Let's open this and see how it turned out. Okay, pretty reason for a quick demo. If you work at it and then create a stunning video with great visuals and that's specific to your content, then I'm sure this will turn out really good. This is actually a Psumo deal itself for Flexclip. Okay, let me show you the deal itself. Alright, so basically right now, it's actually $49. Okay, so you can actually have this video editor, movie maker, slideshow maker, and screen recorder. You can actually have custom watermark, no flash, quick intro, unlimited video downloads, or sticker and overlays, copyright-free music 1000, plus professional design templates, reach animated elements, royalty-free media resources, or transition advanced editing, make video in 8 language. One stock video per project. You can save unlimited projects. Under your account, video link is actually up to 3 minutes, 720p HD download, 10 gig of craft space. If let's say you want to add one more stack, all above you can actually have 1080 full HD downloads, 5 stock video project, and let's say you continue to add one more. You can actually do video up to 10 minutes video, length 30 gig clock space, and then you actually add 2 more codes. You can see all above. 180p full HD downloads, unlimited stock video per projects. Also, and if you continue to add 2 more codes, you should actually hand to 30 minutes video length and up 200 GB club space. So if let's say you want to do a video up to 30 minutes, I would strongly suggest you actually add additional quotes over here, and then remember this is actually a lifetime deal itself. Okay, lifetime, do it the basic at $49, and if you want to add on, of course, you can actually add on, but I will strongly suggest you actually add on to up to 30 minutes video length and 100 GB cloud space itself. Alright, so this is actually a short demo on Flexclip itself. I actually hope you learned something from me. Okay, so if let's say you want to purchase Flexclip, use my link in the description box, or go ahead and use my link. So this comes to my end of this demo for Flexclip itself. I hope you actually enjoy. So if let's say you want to watch more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So to the next review, I will see you. Take care, goodbye.